Hey everybody, it's Eric here with Spartan AutoWorks. Today we're talking about a new product offering that I'm sure a lot of people will be excited about. Right there, that number E69, which is a Bosch computer that it's hard to make plug and play, but what we can do now is we can take your old one. You can, as long as it has communication, you can send it to us. We'll clone it to another unit, a used unit, send it back to you, and it's 100% plug and play. So these computers are commonly found on Acadias, CTSs, the Buick LaCrosse, the Chevy Traverse, the older one. So this is like out of a 2011, I believe. I think it's a 2011 Traverse is what this computer came off of. But they came on the Saturns. Oh boy. There was a Saturn like the earlier generation, like 2009-ish era. For some reason, my brain's just not working at the moment. But they came on some older cars as well, not as common as in the newer stuff. But like I said, LaCrosse, Enclave, Traverse, Acadia, STS, CTS, everything basically with the 3.6 motor. I believe this is, and don't quote me, but I believe this is a 3.6 computer only. I should have looked up the interchange notes first, but I'm pretty sure it's a 3.6 computer only. But anyway, if you have a bad E69, we can definitely help you out. You just send us your original, and you can send us the original with a replacement, preferably matching service number. Service number right there, so you definitely want to match that. Or verify before you send it in that the service number you have is the correct interchange for your application, and you can contact us and we can verify that, and we can get you taken care of. But the original computer has to have communication. As long as it has communication, we can clone it over to another unit. Then we get it back. It's 100% plug and play. Had a lot of requests for this, so I'm sure a lot of people are going to be excited that we're offering this now. So if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call, 636-795-6960. We will be stocking some of these computers, probably mostly for the like 2010, 2011 era range, because that's just what I see go bad. But we can obviously get one for pretty much anything you got. As long as you got communication, that's the most important thing. We have to be able to communicate with it. As long as we can communicate with it, we don't have to open it up. We can just clone it out, write it to another one, ship it back to you, plug and play. Like I said, if you have any questions or would like to order one or talk to us about sending yours in, give us a call, 636-795-6960.